Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add in some different sprites and backdrops in your animated card. Alright, so I'm going to make an animated card, and I don't want to actually have a cat in my animated card. I instead want to have a person, so I'm going to go to People, and I'm going to have Avery, and Avery's going to be right here. And I also want to have a picture of somebody. And so I'm going to actually upload a picture from my computer. So I'm going to go upload sprite. And I've got one that was created by M. Tillman, an awesome drawing that we got right here. And so I upload this, but I don't want the picture to be too big. So I'm going to make it, 40%. So smaller. And I'm going to put it right here on the wall. And because this is an animated card, I'm going to make it a birthday. So I'm going to add in a cake. And so it's got the different costumes for this cake. And I'm going to put the cake right here. Okay, cool. So I've added in some different sprites, but I now want to actually make this look more like a party, so look more festive. So I go down here to the choose a backdrop, and I click on it. And I want to choose a party backdrop. So I'm going to look for one. Oh, here's a good one, and it's actually called Party. That works out pretty well. And so now I've got my party. And I'm going to move these a little bit. Cool. And so now I can actually decorate this particular project if I want to, and maybe have a balloon so it looks more 3D, so the balloon's in front of the picture, etc. Okay? So this is how I go in, add in some different sprites, and add in a particular backdrop for my project. So what I would do next is I'd actually start coding each one of these. So maybe, for example, when I click on this balloon, it is going to pop the balloon. And so it will show up when we start. And we'll play a pop sound, because that's what happens when you click. Cool. I don't know, whatever. Your project, so you create something interesting for your animated card. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.